Ever get that sinking feeling when you look at your bank account? You know you've been working hard, but the balance just doesn't seem to reflect it. You rack your brain, trying to figure out where all your money's gone. Maybe it's those daily lattes, the gym membership you never use, or that subscription service you signed up for just to try it out a year ago. These seemingly small expenses can add up quickly, becoming financial black holes that suck away your hard-earned cash. So, what can you do? Sure, you could meticulously track every penny, create elaborate spreadsheets, and spend hours poring over bank statements. But let's be honest, who has the time or energy for that? Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a way to take control of your finances, identify areas where you're wasting money, and free up some cash for the things that truly matter? Well, fret no more. Because that's exactly what Rocket Money, formerly known as TrueAccord, can help you achieve. From TrueAccord to Rocket Money, a name change, but the same mission. Now, you might be wondering, why the name change? TrueAccord started as a company focused on helping businesses collect outstanding debts. They realized that many consumers were struggling with the same issue, unwanted subscriptions and hidden fees silently draining their finances. So, they decided to put their expertise to good use and launched Rocket Money, a personal finance app designed to empower individuals to take charge of their spending. So, how does Rocket Money work? It's like having your own financial co-pilot. Imagine having a financial superhero by your side, constantly scanning your accounts for hidden fees, forgotten subscriptions, and areas where you can save. That's essentially what Rocket Money does. Here's the breakdown. Subscription Tracker. Rocket Money connects securely to your bank accounts and scans for recurring subscriptions. It identifies everything from your monthly streaming service to that fitness app you haven't opened in months. Find and cancel unwanted subscriptions. With a few clicks, you can cancel subscriptions you don't use or no longer need. This is a game changer, especially for those sneaky services that love to bury themselves deep in your statements. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money doesn't stop at subscriptions. They can also help you negotiate lower rates on your cable, internet, and phone bills. They analyze your usage and market trends to build a strong case for a reduction in your monthly fees. Spending Tracker. Rocket Money categorizes your spending, giving you a clear picture of where your money's going. You can see how much you're spending on groceries, entertainment, dining out, and everything in between. This helps you identify areas where you might be able to cut back and save for the things you really want. Low fee versus premium options. Rocket Money offers a free basic service with core features like subscription tracking and bill negotiation alerts. If you're looking for more bells and whistles, like concierge bill negotiation and advanced budgeting tools, they have a premium option available. But wait, is Rocket Money safe? Security is paramount. Security is a top concern when it comes to your finances. Rocket Money uses the highest level of encryption to protect your data. They also employ multi-factor authentication and follow strict industry security standards. Taking control. How Rocket Money can help you reach your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply want to have more breathing room in your budget, Rocket Money can be a valuable tool. It takes the guesswork out of managing your finances and empowers you to make informed decisions about your hard-earned cash. By identifying and eliminating hidden fees, canceling unused subscriptions, and potentially negotiating lower bills, Rocket Money can help you free up hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year.